Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your boy Edmund. I hope you're all well. Thank you for tuning in to another one. Today we have a hack on how to style your laces, how to make them look a bit more presentable. This hack I've been doing for a while now. With a lot of the shoelaces that you get with some shoes, maybe some are a bit long, and then that leaves now larger lace holes, bunny rabbit ears, which is not necessarily as nice. Usually the smaller holes when you're tying your laces look nicer on the shoe. So this is a hack that I'll show you guys today. I've already done it on the right shoe, but it's yet to be done on the left shoe. Just from the get-go, you can see there's a significant difference in the width of the laces compared to the different shoes, but we'll get into it. So today's example is the Stussy Air Force one. I did a review on this one, on this shoe, so be sure to check it out. I'll leave a card probably up here, so yeah, check that one out. Remove the shoe tree. First thing first, you need to remove the laces of your shoes, so let's do that now. Once you have reached this point where you're left with the last two holes, you now want to grab both ends of the laces and you want to adjust so that one side is longer than the other. It doesn't really matter which side, so I'm going to do it now. So essentially, I want to sort of make it uneven, because now with the longer side, we're going to run the longer side, in this case it's the left side, through the bottom hole multiple times. That way majority of the length of the lace is kept within these two holes. That's the hack. So let's do that now. So now, as you can see, I've ran the laces through. I believe it was 3 times if I can remember. But depending on how long your laces are, you can decide how often you want to run it through, the number of times you want to run it through the same bottom 2 lace holes. Make sure that the remaining straw is equal. All you have to do is put through your laces like usual. Tie your laces like usual. All that's left to do is to wear the shoes. First clip showing you the differences when one shoe receives the lace hack and the other does not. The right shoe does not have the lace hack, whereas the one on the left does. As you can see, there's a nice difference in terms of the overall look, neatness and width of the laces. It allows you to rest the leg wear on top, and it looks a lot better because there's no sort of shoe overflowing on the sides. Another example now, this time with some cargo trousers. As you can see, both shoes have received the lace hack and the trousers sits a lot better on top of the shoe. Some shoes have poor lace systems where they have very few lace holes, such as the Coldwell Air Force one. So this is a hack I definitely recommend. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bless.